So in the midst of the euphoric West Indies Test match victory over England, what of West Indies board president Mr. Dave Cameron, and how this massive victory vindicate his leadership and decision making? Is Mr. Cameron's neck now off the chopping block? Know that this team has shown that they can deliver the goods. The board president has consistently said that this group of players will form the core that will lead the West Indies into a promising future, and not the so-called senior stars who people making a bag of noise over. According to Mr. Cameron, the team was losing same way with these so-called big stars. So the youths are the future. How Mr. Cameron look now? How the president look now? I mean, if you don't curse the president when the team lose, you must praise the president when the team win. He set the framework. He hired the selectors and he hired the coach. And with optimism abound as to what might happen in the deciding game in the series at large and beyond, anyhow this team kicks on and start getting better results on a consistent basis, Dave Cameron would look like a genius and enough people that look like idiots. Mr. Cameron would have seen what the rest of us did not see. The man would be a proven visionary, and the rest of us would be myopic buffoons. So in this our moment of glory, the Maverick have to say, big up Mr. Dave Cameron. Them can't chat to you right now, boss. None of them can chat to you until the next test match.